Stockings first. What's in yours, Aiden?
Wow!
Did you get some candy? What'd you get, Aiden? Let me see. Did you get candy? What else? Wow. Is there anything else in there? That's Sissy's. Look in yours.
Wow! Another one!
Lucy. Okay.
Wow, more. Wow, is that cool? Let's see what Sissy got. Watch what Sissy got. See what Sissy got.
Okay, Lucy, stop. I'll just let her out. She could play.
Hey, Lucy. Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Okay, let's see. What'd you get? Lucy? She's wild, isn't she?
Calm down.
Lucy.
Ow. Mommy?
It's okay. She's not hurting anybody. It's okay. She's not hurting anyone.
Mommy? Wow.
What is it? Let me see. What is it?
Mommy?
Oh, buddy.
Mommy.
Well, we're not going to have candy right now. Lucy.
I don't know.
Over to me.
Mommy? It's a necklace.
Let me see. Pretty.
Mommy?
No, we're not having candy right now, sweetie.
Put it.
Down.
Mommy? That is...
Cool. Okay, I got it, sweetie. Thank you. I'll hold it for you. Go get me your stocking so we can put it away. The dog's not going to hurt you, baby. You got her? Wow.
Another present.
Another one.
Oh.
Here.
Come here, Bubba. Come here. No.
Oh, dog's crazy.
It's okay. Okay. Go see Mama. Go see Mama.
Well, he wants to eat his candy, and I said no. You can have some after we're done opening presents, okay, Aiden?
Mommy? I didn't you want to watch Sissy open her present? Yeah? Mommy?
What, Aiden?
Stop.
Mm-hmm.
Please.
They're hard to open, huh?
Yep. Mommy. Mommy.
You're not having any candy right now. You can have some in a minute. Well, after we're done opening presents. Can you figure out how to open it? Just try to pull it apart and see if it'll... There you go.
Another necklace, but it's a ladybug.
Cool. Pretty.
Hershey bar. Mama. Wow.
Ooh, Cece's candy.
Ooh, gummies.
Cool.
sissy bar. Luigi's.
Are they empty?
Okay, let's open the biscuits.
Okay.
ABC.
Baby, why don't you put her back in her kennel, I guess.
Mommy.
What, Bubba?
Gummies.
Yep, those are gummies. They're not fruit snacks, though, okay? So, you can't eat them. You got her? You want to make sure she gets back in there tight.
No.
You try to climb out. You go to zip in. Yep. You have to ask Sissy, because they're sissies. Why don't you hold her with your other hand and then use Okay.